going to use Dry Boost from Creative Texture. This is a dry texture spray. It's going to give her hold, it's going to give her volume, it's going to give that little bit of gritty feeling that gives you that second day hair that everyone's looking for. It's a great alternative to hairspray when you want to have some lift, some hold, but keep the hair a little bit more touchable. We're going to separate. We're going to focus at the scalp, but we're also going to work it through the ends just a little bit. We're just going through in panels.